Welcome to a new video. Massive legend here, and today we're gonna open up some Pokemon cards. We have 12 in total of these sampling packs. Now these packs you can't buy anywhere. They come next to these Pokemon magazines as a bonus. And we have a kind of few different of them. We have like this Thunder, Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon. Then we have Sun and Moon Team Up. We have a Forbidden Light. And we have a Detective Pikachu. Now I got this when I was working at the store who sells this magazine. I didn't buy the magazine by myself, but they throw away the magazine if it didn't sell. So I always took the Pokemon cards in between them before I threw it in the trash. So that's really good. I got this for free. I don't even know if these can contain any rare cards, but let's hope. Let's unbox them up. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's see if we get any good pulls over here, or do they even contain any good cards? I don't know. It's sampling pack. There's only one way to find out. Let's open it. So we're gonna start with this Sun and Moon Forbidden Lights. 3 additional game cards inside. That's a small pack. I think the normal packs have like over 10. Nice. It's the first time doing Pokemon unboxing on this channel. Feels like a Maximo 4 or something. Okay, so we start with Bunelby. I don't know this card because I didn't play this generation. Cubone. This one I know, first generation. And Magnemite. Nice. Look at the artwork. That's a cool card. And it comes with something. Card list. Okay. So this is all the cards in the set, I guess. Oh, look at that Executor. That's a long neck boy. Long neck Andy. So that's the first pack. Nothing special. Next, Detective Pikachu. Ooh, is this a good card? We got Detective Pikachu with 90 HP. It's a promo here, so I guess this is like these other cards have this circle, and this one has promo, so I guess this is a good card. I will keep this. Ooh, we got Reversed Holo. Nice. Modelul. That's a good card. What? It only had 2 cards. Is this correct? Yeah, 2 additional game cards. Shit. That's a cute Pikachu. Little furry boy. Ah, these are the ones that can come with. Look at Charizard XC, GX, and other cool cards. That's pretty cool. Let's go Pikachu, let's go Eevee. They commercialize in the new game. Next, Thunder Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon. Chinchou. Sounds like a Chinese name. Hoppip. This one I know from the Pokemon Silver and Gold. That's cool. And Piggypeck. So yeah, nothing special on this one either. And it's the same thing. Let's go faster on these next ones because they're the same. Pachirisu. Nice clay artwork. Cool. And Hoppip again. Hoppip. And we have Carbink. This one I never seen before. I'm a boomer, I don't know these new generations. And as you can see, everything is this common card. So I'm starting to lose hope here. Will they actually have any rare cards at all? The next, Wurmple. Little worm. Poplio. This is what you see when you go zoo, aquarium, the seal. And Skiddo. What a stupid Pokemon. Who designed this? This new generation Pokemon, they are not good. Okay, what is the next one? We have Cup 2. Secondary skill. You can use this attack only if you go second, and only on your first turn. Your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. That's a good skill. Paralyzed straight away. Ooh, Pumpy. Look at that artwork. It's a knitted Pokemon. That's pretty cool. I think this is maybe the best one so far. Who made this artwork? I think Asoko Ito made this. Thank you, Asoko Ito, for this cool artwork. And we have Wurmple again with different artwork. Okay, next one. Okay, we have Pineco. Common. Combi. This is maybe the stupidest Pokemon. It's like Honeycomb with wings. It's like Honeycomb combined to the bee. And we have Litleo. It's like little lion. Yeah. These new Pokemon are getting weird, I can tell you that. Okay. Durant. So it's not gonna book Pokemon, but it's Steel type. That's pretty cool. Mareep. Ooh, this was a good Pokemon. I remember I had this in the Pokemon Silver and it evolves into Ampharos with Thunder Punch. It's good Pokemon. Once during your turn, before you attack, if this Pokemon is your active Pokemon, you may leave your opponent's active Pokemon asleep. Fluffy Pillow. That's a cool attack. And we have this cool Pumpy. Nice. Let's see. 4 more packs to go. Diglett. The classic Diglett. Natu. Ooh, this was in second generation. Physics Pokemon. Physic Pokemon. And Chikorita. The starting Pokemon from the second generation. So that's cool. Okay. Poplio again. Morelul. Never seen this. It's some kind of mushroom Pokemon, I guess. It's completely new type. I don't know what type this is. And Chansey, ooh, this is a cool illustration. Maho, it's almost like Myro. Thank you, Maho, for this Pokemon. 100 HP too. New Detective Pikachu pack again. Let's see if we get the same reverse holos. Oi, they jump away super fast. Yeah, we got another one of these. Coffee Break is one of the attacks that's kind of funny. And Psyduck reverse holo. That's cool. I think these Detective Pikachu cards are more valuable than the others because the others are just from the set, but this is actually a promo card. So I'm gonna keep that for future and see if the value increases. The last pack, Weedle, Vullaby, and Dratini. So we got nothing. We got only these common cards. Look, this whole pile all common cards, but we had actually 2. The Detective Pikachu was a good one because these cards are not part of the original set, I think so. Let's check their value online. 1 second. Okay, I checked the price and these are actually like around $3 to $4 on the market. The Psyduck was a little bit more expensive and this one too around $3, so really happy about this. I'm gonna save them. Let's put it in the back to the cover so they don't break. I need to buy those sleeves if I do more Pokemon unboxings where they don't break. If I get like super rare cards. Thanks for watching this review. We got many cards, but all of them were crap, unfortunately. But next time I'm gonna open some real Pokemon packs. Not just sampling packs, but real Pokemon packs. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like, and comment below if you have got any good loots from the sampling packs. Or did I just have bad luck? I don't know. I'm not Pokemon expert, but I will be soon. Because this Pokemon is big money. Max for Pokemon, I'm coming for you. Unlisted lease. Unlisted leaf. I'm coming for your market. I'm gonna be the next Pokemon unboxer, okay? I want the money too. So be careful. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next videos.